Yeah, so right now what I'm going to do is to give you a guide on how to assemble a metal hole saw and how to use it. So it comes in three pieces. There is a small twist bit inside, and then a hole saw itself. As you can see, this twist bit got a small flat side. This small flat side is supposed to line with this. It's supposed to line with this way, with this bolt, where we use the Allen key to tighten it. So this is the third part that you'll find in the box of this also. So let let's put this small drill bit on. As you can see, I'm just going to make sure that it is straight, it aligns with this wall. So I'll push it through. As you can see, that flat side through that hole, I'll push it through as well. But I have to before I do that, I have to open here, get my Allen key in, and then look through the wall, and I can see that that bolt is not going to interfere when I'm pushing through my twist drill bit in. So I'll line it first, push it through, and then I can feel that it has reached the bottom, because there is nothing that is on the way as we check. There's nothing on the way as we check. So now, after I'm done with that, I tighten it using an Allen key. Okay, now we get the Allen key in. I don't know what is going on. It seems like something fell on me. It seems like I dropped it. Okay, now we're done. Now, what is the next step? I put the Allen key back and then close the box, put it aside, take the drill, put it on. So after I put it on, okay, after I put it on, I take the key, I take the chuck key. After I take the chuck key, I push it clockwise. I make sure that it works like car gears or any type of gear. So I push it clockwise when I'm tightening it, and then I feel that it is hard. Now it has reached the end. Okay, now we we have we have to try and drill and see how it goes. As you can see, I have managed to go through this piece of aluminum with ease. There you go. This is how a metal hole saw works. We have our hole. Okay, we have our hole there. We have managed to win our hole. So okay, so thank you guys.